Hello, my husband barbecue. Pan-seared tri-tip, mushrooms, and cauliflower mash. I'm not gonna show you how to make cauliflower mash, but I'll show you how to cook the tri-tip. First off, I'm taking this 2.5 pound tri-tip and removing excess fat. I don't want that much fat on it, so I'm cutting away most of it. Anyway, working my way around, just slicing away slowly. I got about a third of it, felt like, off there. Then check how the grains are going, and as you can see, they run in that direction. So I'm dividing this into two pieces so I can cut steaks in across the grain. As you can see, the tri-tip is really nicely marbled. Cutting them into normal sized steaks and just platting them out. I'm gonna start off by seasoning these only with Himalayan pink salt on both sides and letting them rest for a little bit. Heating the pan and then adding 3 tablespoons of IKEA garlic oil. It's really good, which is also as close as you can get to saying stir-fry oil in Sweden. Frying a few steaks at a time so as not to overcrowd them. Anyway, seasoning with a little bit of pepper now, and then once they're starting to get across, flipping them over, running them until they're 125 and letting them rest. Okay, so starting with the base of cauliflower mash. It's just cauliflower, cheese and cream. A couple of fried mushrooms, and of course the steaks on there. Use a pair of scissors to add some spinach, and then it was time to eat. There we go, indoor tri-tip, nice and pink. That might look good. It's not. It's been raining today. Thank you for watching. Bye.